Area hello, now they welcome for football and Pidgin. After match talk how you see Southampton 0 and Manchester United 1, and we get Oga Austin make on tell us about how you see the game. Oga Austin, now how you see this game from this performance from Manchester United?
This na plus 3 points to Man U now.
Not be like 3
At
points,
least
3.9 matter pass.
Yes. Very important. And so give them say they try.
They try.
Na plus. So they don't play. You see their performance at least. But I know reach you want to perform against Liverpool. Yes,
okay.
yes. Also Southampton they try. That's it. Southampton try. You just see they rob Southampton.
You think say Southampton supposed get penalty for this game?
Yes, why? That's a pure penalty. That's a pure penalty. I don't know why they don't look VAR. They just come be as if say VAR no did.
VAR no did.
Yes, VAR no did the ball again. Of which Southampton are saying they protest, but nobody go check VAR. Although now what we know Man U to they do. Now they control VAR when it come to England.
Yes.
And they control anything they decide.
So normally na Man U way be this normally. Say you believe say Man U they do small corner one kind.
Corner dey this one na. You watch the match now. You see am clear penalty. The ball touch the man almost 3 times or so. Ref no blow am. They no check VAR. So that na I don't know. Man no just put am say na rub, but that na wayo for that side.
Okay.
I believe say Man U dey win like 2-0 before that penalty happen. Yes, take console them based on say Man U dey to go ahead, but since na 1-0. They no fit take that risk. Say e come be 1-1. You can believe say World Pros e go score that ball. All those na World Pros. Na wetin take yes, all those one. Dem no dey price that one. We go say Eve abi na Isoko. Dem no dey price that if na World Pros.
So make I ask you now about this game. Now we see our own Niger brother, Joe Aribo for Southampton. What do you think say you get to talk about in performance today? In performance, it makes sense. You get 1 or 2 areas where you think say making it improve for in game.
Aribo try, yes, he try for the game. My problem is say apart from this match, and our football we dey analyze, and our brother, just as all this performance wey they put for club, and all the people put am when e don come, yes, all those ones.
But
so
Aribo still dey try for Super Eagles now. They try.
Aribo dey try now, but okay, man, I use this their qualifiers for World Cup because that match vex me well. That match vex me. I no feel like you. I be Nigeria now. Now they are go support now. I no go leave Nigeria call go support Ghana. See that match pay me well. They suppose deliver. Abba. They are both okay. More not talk about Super Eagles and Man U dey talk. More just talk about Man U, Southampton. Aribo try for today game.
Okay.
He try.
Okay, make I ask you now with this game where you watch now, who you think say be the man of the match? Which player you think say stand out among all the players from both sides?
From both sides. Okay, you want from both sides. You want give one person man of the match.
One player man of the match.
Me, although I go say I go give Fernandes because he scored the goal. The important thing na Fernandes won for the match, which is the goal. Na wetin all Man U fans come watch, make them win match. So I go give Fernandes because of the goal, not be any other thing. Because me I not to see performances from other players. That's why I go give Fernandes.
So make I ask you about these new players where Manchester United don't bring come the team now. So players like them Malacia, them Eriksen, them Lisandro Martinez and Casemiro too, where don't come. You say Casemiro never start to play like that. What do you get to talk about these players? You think say these players don't improve Manchester United team?
Casemiro go improve.
Okay.
Go improve. Casemiro that one a fine signing. And our player like he don't get a lot of experience. He go improve. As for the Malacia, although I believe they be from academic now.
No. They buy and come the league.
And I buy the buy and come. We go see the look am now. We know if you use too much, they judge them. And as still young player,
no be lie.
We still they look them, they observe them. But me, I no be Man U fans. I no go fit tell about those ones.
Yes.
Left for me. I go say make dem not perform well sef, make Man U dey go down.
Make your club for the go higher.
Me I be Chelsea fans.
No be lie, you dey present Chelsea already.
Yes. That's what it be.
So but make I ask you now, with wetin you don dey see before I allow you go now, with wetin you don dey see for Man U this season, you think say Man U na one of the teams wey we need to dey look out for?
You know if you still write Man U off now, na big team now. You cannot just write them off like that, and they don sign players. So we go still dey look up to them to see their performance. If they go fit win anything this season. Man U. Man, they go try, they go do well.
Okay.
So more just they look them.
More they look there like that.
Yes, more not use this 2 match they judge them. Although they perform very well for the last match. This one we no fit give them. Okay, more just give them 98% for this one. At least they collect the points.
Okay.
So they go try, they go do well.
All right, now, Oga Austin, thank you for your time, your face show,
All right.
and your shoe shine.